Hey friends, welcome to the part 52 of AZ900 real certification questions. Click the join button below this video. There will be a gray color button and you can become a member. The membership will give you unlimited access to more questions, more concepts, more contents, which will help you clear the cloud certification exams. If still you have not yet subscribed, mate, please subscribe. This channel is dedicated to help you clear cloud certifications, AWS, Google Cloud, Azure, Snowflake, and remaining such products. Now let us jump into the questions. Now this question is asking an Azure container instance is an example of what? Container instances are used to run Docker containers. These are examples of compute service, not storage. By default, you might think, okay, container means contain means storage, which is wrong. Okay, so this would be my final answer. Container is compute because it is going to help you execute the tasks inside those containers or Docker containers. One thing I want to highlight is container instances, they have hypervisor isolation. That means hypervisor is residing on top of the hardware. Okay, so if you want that the hardware that I am running on, I should get special access and nobody should access that, then that isolation you can get from container instances. Okay, so the advantage here is you don't need servers to manage. That is the beauty. It is serverless. I repeat, this is serverless. Okay, and you are increasing the agility. Agility means you can code it fast, you can deploy it fast, plus you are not dependent upon operating system or other configurations. You are agile. If you want to put it on VM or EC2 instances on AWS, you can do that. So that was a bit of some tips on container instances. See, express route, you know what is express route? You can connect your on-premises to Azure cloud over a private connection. In AWS, have you heard about Direct Connect? So this is similar to Direct Connect. It is a dedicated network between on-premises and AWS. Now they are asking which OSI layer does it operate on. So when we talk about this one, this is the architecture of Express Route. So if I see the documentation, I can see layer 2 and 3 both. Even for connectivity providers, I see a layer 2 and a layer 3 connectivity between data centers and Azure data centers. So companies that provide a connection either using layer 2 or layer 3. So it seems both should work. Even here, the co-location providers can offer either layer 2 cross connections or manage layer 3 cross connections between your infrastructure in the co-location facility and Azure. So, but since this is asking for one answer, I would choose layer 3 over layer 2 because it seems layer 3 it is managed one and that is a better one. So layer 3 would be my final answer. And this one is talking about application insights. Application insight is just a part of Azure Monitor. It's an extension and it provides performance monitoring. Okay, it proactively understands how application is performing and it you can review the application's execution data to determine the cause of the incident. So always remember it is a extension of Azure Monitor, so Monitor would be the right answer. It will help with performance monitoring of an application. Now folks, please hit the subscribe button if you have not yet subscribed. AZ900 is the first Azure certification you should target if you have not yet got certified on cloud. So do not forget to click the join button and become a cloud kernel or a cloud ninja member. Only cloud kernel and cloud ninja will have access to certification questions. This brings us to the end of part 52. See you in the next part.